Welcome, dear students. Welcome back to the job notification series. Here I have another job opening in the company that is Bharat Electronics. It is under the Ministry of Defense. You may visit the company's official website through bel/india.in. This is a Navratna company, and the following personnel on contract basis, the job opening is there at the Hyderabad unit. So contract period is mentioned there, and there are some requirements. That is your experience is required. That is of 2 years. If you are a fresher or undergrad right now, that you might skip this video. Else, there are vacancies for project engineer, one post for electronics, mechanical, and CS. And you can see various bifurcations. There are 36 vacancies for electronics, 8 for mechanical, and 4 for computer science. Based upon your category, there are further classifications that are given. Upper age limit is there, that is of 28 years. Okay, so keep this in mind. There are some relaxations for SC/ST candidates by 5 years and for OBC by 3 years. Coming ahead, the remunerations are given as 35,000, 40,000, 45,000, and 50,000 per month as your contract goes. This will be a 4-year contract, and this will be your monthly allowance or monthly consolidated remuneration. Okay. In addition to this, a consolidated amount of 10,000 per year will be paid towards expenses like medical insurance and other charges. Then the educational qualifications required is BE, BTech in the relevant branches. Okay. A post qualification, a 2 years experience is also essential here for the relevant industry. Please note that academic or teaching experience will not be counted, and 1 year completed apprenticeship training will be considered as experience. So if you have apprenticeship training during your education, so this will be considered. Then cutoff date for deciding the maximum permissible age is mentioned. It will be counted from 1st of August 2021. Then the desired qualifications and experience in various fields are given as follows. So if you are from electronics branch, then you may pause this video and watch what are the essential requirements. If you have the experience on these things, then you may join it. Then again, there is a post for mechanical engineer, project engineer. So there are further these classifications required for CS. These are the requirements. The registration and application process is given below. It is open till 4th of August 2021, 5 p.m. Okay, so you can fill the form. Other important things are application fees rupees 500 for candidates belonging to PWD, SC, and ST categories. They are exempted from the fees. Okay, and other charges are also mentioned here. Instructions are given here. You can go through this. What are the percentage and the weightage that is given to the various things that will be considered for your qualification and experience count. So marks criteria, then your post qualification experience criteria, 10 marks are given, 75 marks for the marks secured in your various graduation years. Then 15 marks is for interview process. It makes a total of 100 years. If you are having a CGPA system, then there's a different thing. You can use this calculation. It will be converted into percentage based upon the conversion certificate that is given here. Next, some important things are that they will check medical grounds. They might have a medical test, and you need a NOC from the current job that you are pursuing. So take a NOC from your current organization. Then further clarifications, if you feel anything to contact, you can mail directly to hydrogen@bel.co.in. Okay, so that's for BL. Again, let me just give a brief about the post openings. For electronics, it is 36, mechanical 8, and computer science total 4 vacancies are here. 2 years experience is required. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll come up soon with another job notification. Thank you.